PAGODA-BUILD Vietnam, and today I visit the new factory 636 where we produce our material. This is the new material which we are the first company bring it to the world. This factory just started around 4 or 5 months, and with the color of this material, we can say stateable. So I believe that in this year we can sell 50 containers this year. Okay, let me see our material. And at the moment we have one order in the UK. The first time we bring this material to UK market. Let's go. We also have one order in Korean and we ship out last month. Yeah. So let's go to see our material. At the moment we cut cargo and pack here. And before we pack into wooden crate, we clean most of the time first. So after clean, we put here to dry, and then we move over there to back into the wooden crate. How do you feel the color? For me, the color, I feel that it's really warm, so it's suitable to install facades, floor, and maybe workaway. So for flame surface, you can see clean, very clean. Material we cut 90 by 60. So normally in Taiwan order we will bag 50 pieces per one crate, around 1.3 tons. But for UK they request to me just 30 pieces per one crate. Here we will check dimension and the thickness. So the thickness 2 cm, exactly 2 cm. And our the tolerance, our standards, the thickness and the length and the wide should be 1 millimeter for Taiwan order and UK order. Yeah. So this one because of black spots, so and have the light. So our QC recheck black spot, we recheck. So we can see in the surface, if dry surface, to be honest, if we look at carefully, we will see the color variation. Look at here. So this one may be greater, and this one is pinkish, more pinkish. And our client, our client accept to back together, but some clients, if they want to separate color, we also can have them to back separate crate. So when I put the water in the surface, we can see the different color, how we can say color variation. After try, we can see, no, very difficult to see, right? This one, 2 color here. So our QC will choose block at first, and then after cut to cut slab, we choose color. at that time, and then we pack separately. So with me, and how to say, this material, to be honest, I feel the color is stateable, and the machine, most of the machine in new generation. So I believe that we can promote this material and we can bring this material to the world, and hope that people